These are all income, but these are not professional income. Closing balance also we will not consider. Hope you are clear. Yes, these are the adjustment what we have actually in this 1/3 portion of the building used for professional. 4,700, 7,825, 8,000, 10,025. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your other sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And we are in the session 5 of your topic called tax management. Under tax management, we are discussing about your profit and gain of business and profession. Now, under business or profession, you know that in the previous session, we worked out one problem on medical practitioner, one problem on chartered accountant, and today we are discussing about advocate and how to calculate the professional income of advocate. Almost everything is same what we did earlier, but advocate, while doing this particular problem, you should think that you are an advocate. What are your income? What are your expenditure? Everything you are supposed to keep it in your mind and you have to do this problem. So first part will be agenda. In that you have concept as well as problems. And compute professional income of lawyer or advocate. In this you have opening balance. As I told you, your opening and closing balance we will not consider. Then fees from clients, yes. Salary as a part-time lecturer, no. Exam remuneration, yes. Interest on bank deposit, no. Sale of car, no. Sale of shares, no. Dividend received also, no. These are all not your professional expenditure. Now, come to professional income we discussed and professional expenditure. Books purchased, we have to check whether it is purchased for profession or not. Repairs to house, we have to check whether house is used for profession or personal. Local tax we will not take. Car maintenance, yes. Office expense, yes. Household expense, no. All the personal expenses we will not consider. Office rent, yes. Car purchased, only depreciation. Life insurance, no. Donation, recognized institution, yes. Recognized in the sense the legal related. Now, gift to daughter, no. Income tax paid, no. Assessment expense also, no. Then bank deposit, no. PPF, no. Closing balance also we will not consider. Hope you are clear. Yes, I'll go to answer. We'll do one by one. These are the adjustment what we have actually in this 1/3 portion of the building used for professional and 2/3 for self-residence. Now, 50% of the car used for professional and remaining 50% for personal work. Then, books purchased for teaching is rupees 200. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, I'll go to answer directly. Your heading must be computation of professional income for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. In this, your professional income, your professional income. In this what happens, I'll go back. You have fees from clients 40,000, exam remuneration 2,500. Fees from clients, fees from clients 40,000. Next, exam remuneration, it is 2,500. Hope you are clear. Yes. Do we have any other income? Interest, sale of car, sale of share? Yes, these are all income, but these are not professional income. Now, only two incomes we got, so I'll add that. If you add this, it will be 42,500. If you add this, how much you will get? 42,500. Now, I'll go for all the expenses. Now, book purchased. Is there any adjustment? Yes. Books purchased for teaching is how much? 200. Teaching in the sense personal. Teaching in the sense personal. And balance 600 is what? Your professional books. Now, professional expenses. Professional expenses. In this, books purchased. It will be how much? 800 minus 200. Your answer is 600. Hope you are clear. 800 minus 200. Your answer is 600. Next, after this, repair of house. Now, in this, 1/3 portion of the building used for profession. Now, repair house, 1200 into 1/3. Repair house, 1200 into 1 divided by 3. It will be how much? 1200 into 1/3. It will come around 400 something. 1200 into 1 divided by 3. It is 400. So I have to write 400. Now, this is done. Next, we have local tax. We will not take. Car maintenance 2000. Again, we have to check. In this, 50% of the car used for professional. Remember, what is the car maintenance? We have 2000 rupees car maintenance. Now, car maintenance, so 2000 multiplied with 50%. It will be how much? 1000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, I'll go back to your question. Car maintenance is over. Then office expenses 4000. Office expenses. Office expenses. It is 4000. What is the next one? Household expenses 20,000. How to go along with household expenses? Always your personal. Office rent 700. Should we take completely? Yes, you have to take, because for office you are using 700. Then office rent. Office rent 700. Don't consider like 1/3 is used for office, 1/3 uses for house. In this, what happens? 1/3 portion of the building used for professional and 2/3 for residence. They are not talking about rent of the building. Listen to me carefully. They are not telling that rent of the building. If it is rent of the building, we should do 1/3. Rent of office, then directly they are paying for office. That's why I have taken directly. Next, this is done. Car purchased. Only we should go for depreciation. How much we have? 25,000. 50% car used for profession, 50%. And what is the depreciation? 25%. What is the value of the car? 25,000. Now, depreciation on car, 25,000 into 50% into the depreciation is 25. Why this 50%? Only half is used. Now, it will be 25,000 into 50 divided by 100 into 25 divided by 100. It will be how much? 3,125. 3,125. Hope you are clear. 3,125 will be your answer. Clear? Yes, this is done. Next, I'll write it here. 3,125. Now, we'll go for the next one. After this is done. Life insurance is personal. Donation for recognized, it is 1,200. We have to assume that it is given for legal purpose. Donation 1,200. Hope you are clear. 1,200. Next. After this, institution is over. Gift to daughter, no. Income tax, no. Assessment, no. Bank, no. PPF, no. Public Provident Fund. PPF stands for Public Provident Fund. Closing balance also we will not consider. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now we have to add all the expenses. Adjustment I have considered, and we'll add one by one. First one is how much? 600. 400, 1,000, then it will be 4,700, 3,125, 1,200. How much it is? 11,025. 11,025. Again, check it once again. 4,700, 7,825, 8,000, 10,025. 10, 11,025, 12,025. I'll check it once again. So we have 1,200 plus 3,125 plus 700 plus 4,000, and we have 600, we have 400, we have 1,000. Total I got 11,025. It is proper. This is your income. Minus 42,500. You got 31,475. 31,475 is your professional income. Hope you are clear. What is your professional income? 31,475 is your professional income. Any doubt? Hope there is no doubt. We're done with your professional income now. We got 31,475. Hope you're clear. Now, I'll show all the slides so that you can take screenshot. This will be your problem. Your adjustment part. Your solution part 1. Solution part 2. I'll go slowly actually. Yeah. These are your question. These are your adjustment. These are your problem part 1. These are your answer part 2. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. So this is all about the profession like advocate or lawyer. Please work out the same problem without reading your answer so that you will understand better how to do and what to calculate. Please work out at home because it is one of the easiest topic in your syllabus. Thank you.